Good morning students, myself Ashish Kumar. As we have completed our first chapter, that is we are starting with our next chapter, so that is perimeter, area and volume. In this chapter, first we will discuss about the formulas that will come in further exercises. So this is starting with the first exercise, exercise 15A. Exercise 15A. In this exercise we will discuss about rectangle. What is the shape of figure, what the perimeter and the area of rectangle. The perimeter of rectangle will be considered as we can write, as we are writing the formula, is the perimeter of rectangle is equals to twice of its length and breadth. Twice of length plus breadth. It is known as perimeter of rectangle. As you can see from the figure, suppose this is our length x and this is our length y, then this length x in rectangle, the opposite sides are equal, therefore x plus x equals to 2x and this y plus y equals to 2y, and this all be considered as 2x plus 2y. So by taking 2 as a common, we get x plus y, and here we considered x as length of the rectangle and y as considered as the breadth of rectangle. So we get the formula 2 is equals to L plus B. So now starting with our exercise, just revise that formula. By this formula we can complete this our first exercise, that is exercise 50A. What does it say? Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the following rectangles. L is given how much? 15 centimeter and breadth is given 12 centimeter. And we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. As mentioned before, I have mentioned the formula that perimeter of rectangle is equals to perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 times of length and sum of breadth. Here L is 15 centimeter and B is 12 centimeter. So by adding 15 plus 12 we get 27 and multiply 27 with 2 we get 54. And the unit will become 77 because the lengths, the measurements of length and breadth are given in centimeter. So we will take the value in centimeter. Okay. This is our first part. Similarly, we can do the left parts in first question. For example, question number second, 15A, first question number second, length is given 17 whole 1 by 2. It is given in mixed fraction, so we have to complete in a proper fraction by multiplying 17 into 2, we get 34 and add 1 on that, we get 35, and in fraction we have 2, that is 35 upon 2 will be its length, and now its breadth. 7 whole 1 by 2, that is 7 to 14, 14 plus 1 15, and in fraction it is 2, we get 15 upon 2 centimeter. Now step for second question. What does it say for the perimeter of the following square? Yeah, perimeter of square, what is, I didn't discuss the perimeter of square, but I am just writing the formula that perimeter of square is equals to 4a. Perimeter of the square is equals to 4a. How we get that square? In the square all the lengths are equal. This length, this length, this length, this length. Suppose all lengths considered as a meter, we get a, we get a, we get a, and this is also considered as a. So by adding all the equations, by adding all the lengths, we get a plus a plus a plus a, that is 4a. Therefore the perimeter of the square comes as the formula, that is 4a. Here where a is the side of square. So it also given the side of square in the second question. A part is given that a is equals to 9 centimeter. That is a value has given. So 4 into 9 we get perimeter of the square is equals to 36 centimeter. Okay students, now question number third. Now turn for question number third. What does question number third say? Question number third says that side of each square whose perimeter is given. We have to give the perimeter, that is 28 centimeter, and we have to find out the side of which of a square. So as we know that the perimeter of a square is equals to 4a. Perimeter of the square is equals to 4a. Where perimeter is 28 and we get 4 into a, we have to find out. A is equals to 28 upon 4, we get a is equals to 7 centimeter. That is whose parameter is 28 centimeter will be of side 7 centimeter each. Now next question, question number 5th. What does it say? Daisy walks round the square park of side 30 centimeter twice every morning. How much total distance does she walk every morning? Daisy walks a square park. Square park whose side is given. Square part whose side is given 30 centimeter. Okay, and she walks twice every morning in that park. How much total distance does she walk every morning? So total distance is asking that how much she walk in every morning. The total distance we have to find out. So just make it mark. So we have to give it side and it is square. So we just find out the perimeter. Perimeter of part of a square part, we can say that a square part is equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, perimeter is given. So 4A is equals to 30 centimeter. That is given A. A has given us 40 centimeter. That is side. So perimeter of the square will be 4A. We get 4 into 30, 120. And as mentioned there, that she walks twice every morning. That is, she makes the round of that square part twice, and this comes only one time. So we just multiply this by 2 so that we have to find out the distance when she twice walk every morning. So for twice, we just multiply this into 2, we get 240 meter. That is, Daisy total distance walk every morning is equals to 240 meter. Okay, by this questions, so by this method or by using the formula of perimeter, rectangle and perimeter of a square, we just do the questions. Now I am telling question number 7. Question number 7 says wood trim is to be put around 45 display boards in a school. How much wood trim the class school should purchase if each display board is 170 cm long and 90 cm broad? So we have given length. Length is given 150 and breadth is given 9 cm. So we have to find out the wood trim. Wood trim is in the form of rectangular shape. Okay. So perimeter of rectangular is equals to 2 times L plus B. We got 2 times L plus B. L is 150 and B is 90. We get 240. 240. We get 480 meter. What does it get? We get perimeter of that wood trim. Now if 45 display boards are used, then calculate the wood trim purchase. So if there are 45 total displays, then we have to multiply 480 meter into 45, by which we can get the price of one wood trim. Okay, that will be purchased. So we get 480 into 48. We get 21600 meter. That much wood trim we use to complete that whole area. Okay, students. In this way, we can complete question number 8 too. So this is in your homework, and I have also given the PDF. I have today also give the PDF documents and web links so that you can easily understand the exercise from them. So after that, we will continue with our exercise 15B. Till then, complete that work that I will give to you today. And if any queries, consolidated the questions, then you can ask me. Okay, students, complete your work and thank you.